Hello and welcome to Steve's Backyard Bonsai. This is one of the Wisterias that I grew from a root cutting, the Wisterias that grow in my yard that killed my oak tree. But it has some beautiful taper and it's still flexible here and here, obviously. So I'm going to do a little bit of a bend here and here and get this thing set up to grow for next year in a slightly different shape. The other one is a little more straight and I haven't figured out what to do with it. It's quite stiff. This one still has some flexibility. That's why I thought I'd get some wire on it today. All right, let's get started. All right, this is 4 or 4.5 mil wire. I'm going to use that for this bend, and then I'm going to transition to a lighter wire, a lighter gauge wire for the top here. I'm not going to prune much. I'm just going to see what I need to prune to keep the wire out of the way. But let me get some vet tape on the lower part of this. And this is just to protect the bark. Hopefully not get any wire bite in this section. And I'll do a loose wrap up here, once again, to help prevent wire bite. I don't intend to leave this on very long. I do think it'll set quite quickly. And I'm just gonna cut a bit off so I'm not putting too much stress on the tree. I'm not going to be able to go much past here with the heavy wire. I'm just going to come on back with this, cut it lengthwise, and tie it off. Got to get a little more skill at this. I find it a little daunting. All right, let's get that wire on here. And so I'm just going to put the wire into the pot till it hits bottom. Okay, there we go. turntable is becoming a problem. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, that's it for this gauge of wire. And let's get the bend into there. Okay, now I want to come back with this, and I'll use a lighter gauge of wire there, but I'll follow the same path up. I'll just continue on further. I think 2.5 gauge ought to do it. All right, there's some things in the way. Okay. Like I said, I'm going to follow the same path up. Staying on the same side. Of the wire that's there. Trying not to cross anywhere. And now I've got to be a little more careful and create just a loose cage around this wire, around this branch rather. Trying not to touch it if possible anywhere. Something's tangled. Okay. I don't want to disturb the buds. Wisteria does give you a pretty decent pathway to run your wire, because the branches do alternate. I don't know how much onto the really young wood I'll go. If I can get the bend without going up too far that I'm looking for, and I'll just terminate right around here. I want to go further. Yeah, this is going to come off very early in the spring. Okay, that's kind of straight right there, so that needs to be brought down. That's pretty good. So I got a pretty smooth curve there. It's kind of nice. Let me see if I can get it to twist a little bit. Excuse me. Could I be allergic to Wisteria? Okay, it's got a little bit of a twist. Once again, I'm just getting this tree started in some sort of style. Who knows what it's going to end up looking like. A tree like this is going to take a lot of pruning, a lot of the time. I'm just going to remove some of these branches that are now on the inside, or these fronds that are now on the inside. this lower one. These branches going out back, that looks fine. This coming forward, doing what a wisteria likes to do. Kill oak trees. All right. Kind of cool. Maybe I'll cut that off. Yeah, let a new branch section grow from there. Here's a 360-degree view of my twisted wisteria. Like I say, I will keep this wire on only till the start of the next growing season. It should take by then. We still have September and October, 2 months for this to grow. I don't think any of this is too tight. All right. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for keeping me company in my backyard.